Aho! Today we are going to create some clones. In this case I have a Tiefenbach here, and as you can see I'm wearing nitrile gloves. Like many indoor plants, every part of this is poisonous. Gotta be honest, I usually do it without gloves. I'm not allergic, but if you come in contact with the sap also contained in the stem, might cause allergic reactions or even blisters. So just to be safe, better wear gloves. Creating clones of such plants is really easy. All you need is a cup, preferably black. Put it into water, let it sit for 2 weeks, and then it's time. Plant it into the soil, upright. I'm going to remove this leaf here, make the hole a little bit deeper. Then all we need to do is water it regularly, add some fertilizer and wait. A lot of plants can very easily be cloned in this way. Super easily clonable plant, very hardy and very popular in European gardens is ivy, also known as common ivy or European ivy. So this right here behind me is European ivy, common ivy, and we're going to cut a few clones. How do you do that? While poison ivy causes immediate skin problems upon contact for most people, European ivy or common ivy is only mildly toxic. So you want to cut pieces of approximately 15 to 20 centimeters. And it's always a good idea to use a sharp and very clean knife. I usually use this kind with a fresh blade, or just break off the used portion of the blade. And normally we're not going to do only one clone, but a couple. So here let's cut another one. Three makes a party, but we're going for 4. Now we have our 4 new clones. And now it's time to remove the lower leaves. I would say lower half. So just going to remove the leaves here. And we're doing this with all 4. If you cut your new clones, always use green, fresh parts of the plant, never lignified branches. They are not going to root. All that's left to do is to put our clones into a cup. Like I said, preferably a black one, or at least not transparent. Clones root easier when they don't get light. Then we're going to add water and put this on our windowsill. Indirect sunlight is good. You should change the water every 3 days in order to prevent mold. With plants that don't root as easily, it's a good idea to add some rooting agent, either liquid or powder. With ivy, it's not necessary. So after 1 to 2 weeks, you're going to see first roots, and then it's time to relocate the plant to its new home. Ivy is rooting so easily that you could actually skip the step with the water, just cut the clones, remove the leaves and put them directly into moist soil. If you do that, you need to keep the soil very moist during the first couple of days. But in my experience, the plants grow faster if you give the roots a little extra time. Interesting fact about ivy, common ivy, European ivy, it's a very popular garden plant here. You can see it everywhere, but in the USA, in Northern America, it's an invasive weed, an invasive species. What is an invasive species? More about that in the next video.